Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my Aphogee two-step protein treatment on my natural hair. It's actually the first time I've done it on my natural hair. I have a video that I'll link of me doing it on my relaxed hair, but this is the first time doing it on my natural hair. So I'm putting the actual treatment in a spray bottle because it's very liquidy, so it's much easier to apply if you put it into a spray bottle. So that is a tip for you. And I'm working on freshly washed hair. You shampoo your hair and then you apply this treatment. So here I am with the treatment and I am just spraying it onto my hair. If you try and put it in your hands and then directly from your hands into your hair, you'll discover it's very tricky because it's literally like water, so it will just get everywhere. So it's much easier to do it like this. You want to completely saturate your hair in the product. It is incredibly sticky. You'll see as I start working my hands through it how sticky it is. In the instructions it does say that you're supposed to comb it through. So I tried to do that, but as you can see, it is very difficult to comb through. I only just managed to comb it through when I did it on my relaxed hair, so how you're supposed to comb this through curly hair, I have no idea. But as you'll see later on, I just give up and end up finger combing it through because it's just too sticky to comb through. My hair was actually fully detangled at this point, so it wasn't that it was tangled, it was just really sticky. So here I am just finger pulling it through, I guess, but as you can see, even while using my fingers, I'm struggling to kind of separate the pieces of hair. So you can run it through your hair while it's wet, but it does say once it's dry, then you can't manipulate your hair at all. So I'm just going to repeat that process for all 4 sections of my hair. You don't have to do it in sections, it doesn't say to do it in sections, but I find it will be a lot easier if you have curly hair to do it in sections, because it's hard to get every single piece of hair when you've got curly hair. I think when I did it on my relaxed hair, I just did it all in one, but yeah, I need to do sections, and my hair isn't even thick, so I would definitely recommend doing sections. So here I am after I have fully applied it to my whole head, and I'm just showing you how sticky it is. You can see kind of the hair sticking together. It's really sticky and it's sticking to my face. It's a really not very nice product, to be honest, and it smells really weird. It's kind of citrusy, but not nice citrusy. So once it's applied, you will need to dry it onto your hair until it's rock hard. I'm using this hairdryer brush because I couldn't find my actual hairdryer, so you're supposed to just use a hooded dryer or a hairdryer, but this kind of does the same thing. It blows hot air out, so I thought it would do. So that's what I'm doing here. It doesn't take long to dry at all, probably only took about 10 minutes. And this is it once it is fully dry, and you can see how rock hard it is. And while it's rock hard, it does say in capital letters that you should definitely not manipulate your hair because it will cause breakage, which you do not want. You're trying to prevent breakage. So this is my hair rinsed out. You're supposed to do a double rinse to make sure it's definitely all out of your hair, and then you apply the step 2, which is basically like a conditioner, and that just helps to rebalance the moisture in your hair. And yeah, you just use it as a normal conditioner. So again, I'm sectioning off my hair in 4 and just applying quite a large amount. You should also apply this to your scalp, so that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm twisting up each section as I do with any normal deep conditioner that I use. It doesn't say to do this, but I just thought I would do it. So I feel like it helps the product to fully penetrate your hair a bit better, and it also tidies the hair away that you've already worked with. So this is my hair now rinsed out, and I'm just showing you what it looks like. Very healthy looking, I thought. I've got a lot of definition and it just felt really good. So yeah, that's how I use this product. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.